how to transfer money from Netspend to Chime. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up your Chime, then just select the option of move money at the bottom, and there you will be able to find the option of transfer from other banks. Just simply select it, and after that it will ask you at the bottom to link your external account, and here we will be linking our Netspend with Chime. So just simply select the option of link your external account, then just simply click on continue. And here you just need to select the option of Netspend. In case if you're not able to see it over here, just simply search for Netspend in the search bar, and after that just select it. Then it will ask you to enter your credentials. Just simply type your user ID and password in order to link Netspend with Chime. After that, it will ask you to verify your identity. You can do it using your phone number or your email ID. Just verify your identity. After that, you will be able to find your Netspend details be listed on Chime. Just select whether you want to use your checking account or savings account and click on continue. After that, your Chime will be connected with or linked with Netspend. Just simply continue, and after that accept the terms and conditions. For that, just select confirm, and this way you would be able to link your Netspend with Chime successfully. After that, you need to select Netspend as the sender and Chime as the recipient. Then enter the amount that you want to transfer, and then simply click on the option of transfer. Now it will ask you to confirm your transfer. Check whether all the details that you have entered are correct or not. After that, confirm this particular transfer, and this way you would be able to transfer money from Netspend to Chime. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.